Hi, I'm Steven from Brewers Supply and I invented the Unibrau System. Today I want to show you the Whirlpool alarm kit for the 120 volt system. So we have two Whirlpool alarm kits, one for the 240 and one for the 120 volt system. And I'll explain why. The 120 volt system, our customers are often upgrading with the element upgrade kit, which necessitates the second lower port being used. Now, we've already got two elements in here and we have the sensor mounted onto this T. So we already have the one accessory, which is the element upgrade kit, and this is the 120 volt system. And what we found was the most practical place to put the Whirlpool alarm was in the port up high. With the 240 volt system, there is no such element upgrade kit needed, as it's a 5500 watt element, which is going to provide you with tons of power to power through your brew day and to speed up your brew day. And so the 240 volt Whirlpool arm kit is installed in the lower port, and I can show that to you in the next video. Now let me show you how to install it. So first you're going to remove the cover and cap that you have on your standard Unibrau system. So you want to put the barb, double clamp barb in first. Now you're going to attach the included butterfly valve. And I'll just close that off. And finally, the included piece of silicone. So it's nice to have it angled, down into the wort. And it's really going to give you nice spinning action when you use it this way. So that's how you install the 120 volt Whirlpool alarm kit. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, share, and like. And also, if you've got a video idea that you'd like us to make for you, please put it in the comments section below. Thanks, and see you next video.